Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows you to store files and access them from any device with internet connectivity. To use Google Drive, start by signing into your Google account and navigating to the Google Drive website or app. Once you're logged in, you'll see your personal storage space, which is organized in a folder system similar to a computer's file explorer. Now, to upload files, simply click the New button and select either File Upload or File or Folder Upload, depending on what you want to store. You can drag and drop files directly into the Drive interface for a quick upload as well. Once your files are uploaded, you can organize them into your folders for easy navigation. So Google Drive allows for file sharing and collaboration. To share a file, right-click on it and select Share. You can invite others by entering their email addresses and setting permissions such as viewer, commenter, or editor to control what they can do with the file. Additionally, Google Drive integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace apps like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, enabling real-time collaboration on documents. Files stored in Google Drive are accessible for any device, and they automatically sync across all devices linked to your Google account. All right? Let me know if this helped.